Them said they're going to pick us up at the hotel at 8:30. I was downstairs before 8:30 waiting for them. They show up. The team members was downstairs. I asked them for a bus and asked them for a car. The bus came, the car came. I said, no, I let everybody go in the bus. Did all of that. And take us to the venue. When we get to the venue, we have our own security, which is the police. They could not go inside.
Yeah, big up yourself, my peeps, so no do. Yeah, man. But they are today, no? I talk about SumFest and Dr. Love. Yeah, man. And Nigy Boy. Nigy Boy shell down the place, no? Yeah, man. He going with a great job, man. One of the best me see. Yeah, man. You know, say him have a place, though. Yeah, man. Nigy Boy have a place, man. But still, I'm for Dr. Love going with a scene. I never did it still. But to me, I listen and I hear what people them a say. Yeah. Dr. Love. Yeah, manager, you know. And remember I said you just a come. So you don't really have no street cred out there yet. You can't really use the badness with Nigy Boy thing. And the nice, the confusion. It don't really work there, so. Yeah, man. So you really have to do still. Just keep a level head. And look and call for your bigger heads. Yeah, man, because guess what happen now? Nigy Boy thing happy fly, you know. Either without you or with you. But still, you know, when I burn you, far as me see you go on, you do a very great job. Yeah, man. You take him to a level where nobody never really tried it yet, but yeah, you do it. So big up yourself. Big up yourself always. But we are trying to hold on the confusion and keep a level head like a manager should do. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So anyway, we are going to finish here out what you have to say. Yeah, man. That I might pick. Enough people have a different views and a different thing to say. And a different opinion always. But me I tell you, better you keep a level head. And roll like a manager. Roll like a boss. Because this can push you a very far away. And you have to try to get the street cred. We get the respect in them the place there. And if you get that, you need to lick some big show and show people them say you're powerful like that. So guess what happened? This I start a hit. And yeah, go on, so you need to change the vibes there. Change the level there. Yeah, man. And deal with the thing like a manager deal with. Your manager, you can fly over gate man head and ask your manager. Manager talk to manager. Yeah, man, I make people know where things stand. So why you deal with the thing better than that? So you go hear what you have to say. Make the people let me hear what you have to say. So big up yourself, man, when I come off to burn you. Yeah, man. Like your job. Yeah, man, big up yourself.
And with their weapon because of other whatever happened. So anyway, have a little bit of thing that go on at the gate and all, but follow the rules. When they get to Reggae SumFest, everybody have to come off of the bus and them search the bus and search everybody. The security is good. They did that, right? Then everybody get back on the bus now and drive inside. When you drive inside, there's somebody from the team, I can't remember her name, that came and meet us by the bus and said, this is going to be the person that's going to take you to your tent. I tell everybody, let's get off the bus. The robot came, the robot couldn't come in because the parking and all that, so. They make them bring in everybody else, the artists, everybody else, and then now me go back now and go make sure that the robot come inside. Right? Letting the robot and bring in equipment, blah, 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 all of that. I did have a certain amount of ticket in my contract. But the reason why I did have a low number of tickets in my contract is because our team was not that big. So Everything that I ask for in the contract, I've get it. I don't ever get no food. But anyway, now when we sell Reggae SumFest before, we never have backup singers in it. We never have dancers in it. So in that whole time of me arranging the whole performance and all of that, I end up have to come to Jamaica and have to find dancers, which big up to Jenny, who introduced me to the dancers, and big up to the band who introduced me to the backup singers. So you know, so if you find new people, that's more money, and you know, so that's more thing, because I want my artists to have one of the best performances. That was my goal. I don't care about money, I don't care about none of that. Anyway, everybody's on the same page. I've been running up and down from come Jamaica. I've been making phone calls from the America to make sure that. Then bring us to our tent. When we go to the tent, we have water, we have biscuit, we have liquor, we have couch, we have fan, we have air condition, everything in our tent. Then treat us good, and then good, no problem. When you know me already, I love the money part. So they never bring the money at the hotel, come give us as whatever. But we make a phone call and say, alright, when you get to the venue, good. So when we get to the venue, you know me already. The first thing me ask, go down, who's in charge of the money? Somebody said to me, say, alright, just wait till later. I said, no, I want to deal with that now. But sure, everybody was busy. They show me and say, go over there, so. We'll go over there and knock a door. We'll go in there and say, who are you? I say, there's a such and such. All of my team did have on staff shirt. My shirt did have on staff and it have on manager on it. So I make everybody to be that they can identify everybody. They sit down on the chair, man go in a suitcase, take out the money, give me the money, have the balance on it, give me one contract, sign it that you get paid, me sign that, take the money, come out, go back to the tent. Check on the team to make sure say everybody is good and everybody in the tent. We tell everybody say this is our tent. Certain things we're not going to do. We're going to follow the rules and all that. Good. We're in good. Perfect. Time come down to them say we're going to perform at 11:13. I never too happy about the performance time because we get a later date and whatever it is. But the mercy I got to work out good. Anyway, as I say, big up to Scatter. Big up to Scatter. I know Scatter love me, but big up to Scatter. And big up to Bob. Now, time goes by and things happen and it change and change and change and change. There was a point where they want we perform after Berries and Babyface. I said, no, that can't work. That will never happen. Because I not execute my artist that way. It was easy. Whatever it is. I told them that I don't want nobody to introduce Nigy Boy on stage. I want everything go black and that's all the whole, you know, entry of the stage and that. So obviously some communication never happened, right? And Pretty Boy Fly started to talk about it and they made a few stopping me in the performance. Pretty Boy Fly, my apology to stop it in the middle of your hosting, but I didn't have no choice to do that because if we continued to do that, it would have damaged what it is. Anyway, that go on. Nigy get his time to perform. Go up on stage. Security at SumFest was very tight. Very, very tight. Right? The organize of Reggae SumFest to a extent is good. Now, remember me good all night, you know. All night me good. Them I do everything. One kettle and go get a kettle and bring it come. We have a problem where we never really get the cup or whatever it is and blah blah blah. But that whatever it is. Me never like enough food never in my tent. Because my artists never eat until late. We get food, we go over by Pepsi. We do all that. When Nigy finishes performance, the biggest and the greatest performance, the best performance, big up the Burst. Because we and Burst hang out from Sunday to Monday, while we hang out tonight. Big up the Burst, man. Right? No food, never in our tent, I never like it. And I did not like, they never have a food court back there. Backstage, I didn't see one where if we wanted food, we could get food, so they need to fix that up, right? But we managed to get something, go buy some hot dog and whatever it is. So the artist was doing that, it was over, it was exhausted. So we did every interview that Reggae SumFest wanted, every media thing, we did 95% of it. We followed the rules and did everything that we comply with everything. I think that we was probably the only person that complied. As a matter of fact, maybe we are the only one that got the money from Reggae SumFest and end up spend back the money in Jamaica and spend back into production, right? That's what I did because I didn't want to just take the money and then everybody get paid more to spend back in a production. That was my goal. Anyway, did that. go over, while I was in the media booth, somebody come to me and said that they need something in the tent. Remember, I leave all of my team members in the tent and gone. Well, my artists there and whatever it is in the media tent. Go over there, somebody come to me and said they need something backstage. Right? I said, okay, I'm going to get it then. Because I said, them now, let them back. So I come out and I walk up to the gate. I say, one big neck man, he not no manners. I'm going to need to fix him up. I come up to the gate, my mom have my shirt that said management panel, and I said, Nigy Boy, right? I said, I walk up to the gate, I said, I'm going to tent. No, you can't come in. You can't come in. I said, but he said, well, I got my tent. I said, I was there with a policeman. I said, my tent is right there. And I'm going to the tent. You can't tell me, say, me can't come in. I say, I'm booked for this event, I'm paid for this event, and I comply with it. You can't tell me that.
Yeah, Dr. Love, I cut you. Yeah, because guess what? Like, I really love the food. I say nothing still. Have food, you know? You're hungry, I go have food. But in the music business, you have to be careful and you have to prepare. Yeah, man. You always prepare. Make sure you don't make your artist go out again by a hungry belly. Yes, and as I say, rules is there, security tight, so you don't say rules. So if you always follow by them rules, yeah, and try to flow the thing as nice as possible. Yeah, man. Maybe them did have a reason. Yeah, man. Yeah, so hear for your part, you have to hear somebody else's part. So go and talk, big up yourself again. Yeah, push Nigy Boy up on the level way. Nobody never push him yet, so large up anywhere there, big up.
Did them go on the most because I don't know which authority them give him. So I decide, say, me and them, I go back and forth and say, yo, me need to go on my tent. Right? I have things to do my artists over there, so I need to go on my tent. You can't come in, you can't come in. Me and them get in an argument. They say, you know, so I'm going there tonight. So the police was there, police say, all right, come, I go work it up. I say, I want to go on my tent. And that's how I want to go on my tent. That's how I go. Anyway, ended up bad after. When I went to the gate, there was so much people crowded at the gate. Big argument there at the gate. This I want to cuss. I see two young ladies there ball. They want to. Remember, you know, they're a part of the function, booked for the function, and they could not go inside at the gate, which we should have authority to go inside because we work on the event. Anyway, I did go and crazy upon him till me push the gate. Right? I say, yo, what you do, Mr. Brother? But I will it today, no. Push the gate. And if I never go there and push the gate and get in, nobody would come in. Them black everybody outside. Don't care who you is, them black out everybody. Go to my tent, go get what I need to get. I'm going to walk back at the gate and walk out. When before I go over the gate, I see my team member them turn up out there like a fugitive. Then no want to let them out. And if they let them out, the matters and they can't come back in. Right? I am the only one that was at Reggae SumFest that went there with staff shirt. That everybody that was working for Nigy Boy have on a shirt to show that they're staff and it have a name on it. And make sure that was a priority that was done. Anyway, them did them say, yo, we're gonna go back around this and all that and talk to everybody. I think it's gonna be nice and whatever it is. Anyway, come back through the gate, go back around my artist there. Backstage was good. I'm not gonna lie, it was crowded, but it was good. The backstage was good. I'm not gonna lie on them. There are a lot of things them set up right back there and all that. Them have everything organized, but a lot of glitch was in the system. Anyway, done that. Left the team member them around there. Then if you have a certain band, you can't go up on the stage. We managed to get the opportunity. Even though some of them didn't have, the team member didn't have on the correct band, because I give everybody band. If you're not working on the stage, you don't need to come on the stage and hang out on the stage. I don't like the hang out, I don't like the crowded thing, I don't like the interaction. So everybody follow the rules. Right? Go up Pepsi tent, as I say. Everything is good with Dr. Love seeing him. I'm pissed off now from them tell me, say, nah, let me in. Right? Nigy exhausted. Did the Pepsi, as I say, meet some food. We walk all the way from where backstage was, all the way up on the other side to go to Pepsi tent. All good. Go there and do that, and big up to Carla. Big up to Carla, because Carla actually took us to the Pepsi tent and she walked with us, go over there. Big up to Anthony Turner and Jerry. We walk over there, and it was easy walking over there. It was like a rumble going through the crowd, you know, people want a picture. I went over there and did that. Now, coming back from the Pepsi tent, we said we are go backstage now because we're ready to go and whatever it is. As I said, our ride picked up on time. Our ride drop us off on time. They treat us good. But when Nigy done now, and exhausted and coming back, when we reach at the gate now, like the gate is right here. We walk up to the gate, the same security then there. Remember, you know, I have to have assistant for my artist. Can remember his vision impaired, right? I have to make sure everything good in me. He's my priority. There's nobody is my priority, not even me. I have to make sure him good and him get whatever he need. Right? As we said, Reggae SumFest don't women no money, and then good with that. Now, when we reach up and get to Nigy now, the man I will tell me, he said, no, we can't come in. I said, where you say, where I go? Nigy stand up right there. He might tell me, say, we can't come in. I say, did you? I say, you know, some artists book for this and get paid for this. You tell me, we can't. I say, Bridget, let me tell you something. I want to go right that's right now. No. Because you tell me, say, my artist, you know, I got to stand up. Right that's how you're not let him in. You're looking at him, you're looking at me, the manager, and him, right? You tell me, say, you're not let us in. Well, we get clear order that the was let in anybody called baby. If me say I don't give a rat ass elbow baby face, I don't care. Me don't care about that. So him did it till me start getting mad pan them now. Me must tell them they good from before now. Then piss me off when they tell me say they not let me in. And when time missing all them, stop my artist from entering backstage and go back to his tent is when me flip. And when the Christopher Cook and gone to the Dr. Love and the zone and down the road, I say, these people cannot be real. Right? These people on there. And when them block my artists, from re-entering backstage is when Dr. Love flip from Christopher Crooks to Dr. Love and the ghetto and the arrogant part is when I flip. Right? And it did not have to get to that point. Right? Because one of the good things is that, as I said about the ticket, I never had enough ticket inside of my contract because we never had that much people. But when I asked for ticket, they gave me the ticket. I asked for 11 more ticket and they have 20. I asked for 11 more ticket, they gave me 11 more ticket. And I asked for some more ticket and I've got the ticket. They have complied with it. There's no problem, right? But when you're gonna tell me that you're not letting my artist in because of other reasons, now you pisses me off. And that becomes it becomes a big problem, and that is where the problem started. If I'm gonna sit here and say them ill treat us to the level like I've heard a lot of things online when I say, I'm big up to Burris, because we hang out to Burris Sunday, we hang out to Burris Monday. There are a lot of things that people are saying about Burris that it is not correct. It is not correct, not correct, not correct. Some little things they kind of half, but it is not correct. Under any circumstances, me I tell them because I was there, right? I was there, and I was in the environment. What they said happened, right? With Burris. No. One thing happened, I'm gonna get into that, right? But it was nothing where it's like, okay, what were them this and no. That is not correct. If you was not at the venue, if you was not backstage, people call and they tell stories. If somebody call and say, somebody tell somebody say, boy, Dr. Love is going bad. Yes, Dr. Love is going bad back there. I'm going bad to my extent of defending my team and defending my artists. Right? It's in my nature to do that. I don't have a problem with Reggae SumFest. I don't have a problem with nothing else. I only have one problem. And the one problem was when time them bar me and bar my artists and bar my team from leaving backstage, when the past we have was all access to go wherever I want to go, and went and then bar my artists is when they flip. That is when I flip. And I flip. And I flip and I flip and I flip. And you cannot flip a certain extent in Jamaica in front of inspectors, in front of police, and then they want to arrest you and lock you up. And the police was actually agreeing with me of flipping. The police was on my side. They said, no, they shouldn't be an all that and whatever you have on your shirt and things like that. It is wrong. That is the only problem I have with even. I don't have no other problem with even. Some little things are my fault, right? As I said, it's a learning process into working with some big festival. And they never give me enough food. Then should I have a bit of food on my tent, and then should I have a thing backstage. But I don't have a problem with Joe. I have a problem with all of them when time I can't get to enter backstage. Right? As I said, then treat me good. Then give me the passes. We get the bus. Then put us in an all-inclusive hotel. There was food after food you could eat. We go to a beach. We go to a beach. We in a pool. We have all of that. We get all of that. I would not sit here and make up story and tell life and answer them this and all of that. Right? No. When all of that happen and all of that and we get through, we like to say all of that. Right? Even scatter. See? Me go to scatter and at the venue, I say scatter rotate and all that. Me get whatever I want. Me go to Baba, get what I want. The girl named Cara, she named Cara. I forgot we had a girl named from the airport there, lady. As I said, I got what I wanted. I get everything that I wanted from them. Them pay them money in full, they don't owe me $1.